Slay, your old stomping ground.
Kakayo dyan sila.
Find yourself some cute deaf voice today.
Na.
No thank you, I'll stay put. Deaf men are too high maintenance. Okay. You're high maintenance, whatever queen.
Uy, tagsaba na dyan kayo bito.
For real. If I'm gonna break into the modeling biz, I got shit to do. How do you expect to break into that world? You're black, you're gay, and you're deaf.
Bastos.
I've been all those things in my life. I haven't let them down, and I won't now. Snap, 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 snap.
Itom pa jud.
Slay, queen, slay. Healthy ang iyang relationship with Tony, pero ang iyang mindset dili healthy. Good morning, guys. It's not morning.
Good morning.
It's currently 1:51 p.m. What we're gonna do is eat Mang Juan, and if you guys didn't know, Mang Juan tastes good with a bit of rice. So let's do it. Rice, gabi. So my cousins actually taught me how to do this trick.
Tot. Otot.
So they told me na, "Uy, Kaye, you don't have any viand or any dishes that you can pair up with your rice. You can do this." So thank you, Sam, for the
Isa Sam. Milby.
Siyempre yun niya, doblas, Sam doblas, Samantha Kim doblas. Let's try it together. Okay. Feels so weird, but it feels so right.
Happy Halloween.
Tastes good. I don't know, for me. It tastes good for me. I don't know about ate. Let's make her, a bite.
Dili ko.
Tasting na ba?
Lubot.
Oh my God, huwag na kayong kamot.
Isa mo na, uy. Sangyup? Sushi or samgyup?
Sushi. Hugawan kayo, no? Okay. Your turn.
Dili ko.
Sa camera. Your turn. Nom. It tastes good, doesn't it?
Igo na, uy. Kay 2 minutes na.
Mukbang dun eh.
Mukbang?
I do not suggest licking your fingers like this, but for video purposes, then we have our BTS coffee here. It pairs perfectly with the Mang Juan since it will reset your taste buds.
Reset tabang ganina.
Even though it's a little bit pait. Good. Kep dyan.
Kasi kapjang.
Manaway, kep dyan.